Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Custom Cooking, coming at you tonight with a quick video on Father's Day gift ideas. I know I waited kind of late for this, but you know, I've been busy with some other videos and stuff. So anyway, first off, you get one of these nice leather, these Whitloff aprons. A little late for that though, unless you live in the Netherlands to get that shipped, but that's an idea. Most of this stuff you can get off Amazon. I will put the links to where you can buy all this stuff in the description box below. Most of them will be affiliate links, but that's fine. You won't pay any more for them. It just help me out a little bit, okay? If y'all don't mind. All right. First off, start off with a good injector. I've had people all the time, calling, asking me about an injector. This particular kit right here is something that I highly suggest, and it is available on Amazon. I'll put the link to it, but this kit comes with a nice stainless steel injector. It comes with 3 different size needles for it, or injectors. It also comes with a little basting brush, so this is a very, very good kit. Okay, high quality injector. I like how it comes with a little case to keep everything organized. It's really good. So again, I suggest this little injector kit. You can see what it comes with there on the back as well. I've been using this last couple of weeks, okay? I'll do a video review on it soon, but this is something I suggest, okay? Another thing that I just love here lately, and it's dirty, it's been my grill, but if you have a Weber kettle or a Kamado or something of those sorts, this Vortex, this thing is amazing. Get some of that good Fogo charcoal. You can order that off Amazon, but whatever, put your charcoal of choice down in there. You light it, set it in the middle of that Kamado or that Weber, and it just makes a flame. Just a jet engine right there in the middle, and you set all your food around it, cook indirect, and then you can actually sear up on top of it. So that's a great idea. It's the Vortex. Don't get the cheap imitation. Pay a couple more dollars and get this one, because this one's made of better balance. It's going to hold up. All right, I highly suggest that. Okay, another just thing you wouldn't think of, but one of these lighters. I have people all the time ask me about this. This is something I use to light charcoal, whatnot. You can use it around a grill. You can use it around the house for stuff. Really nice. I love this thing, and you see me use it all the time. You get one of these off Amazon. I'll put a link to that. That's a really good torch. Something else. This is something I just recently got. This is a professional grade scraper. All right, it's got a blade on there. No, it's by Ready Grill. It's their heavy duty number 161 scraper, available on Amazon. I'll put a link. But I'm telling you what, cleans the griddles off, cleans my grills. I cleaned up my Keeman the other day. I cleaned up my Lone Star cabinet with this thing. I mean, it scrapes the grime and the gunk out of there. I love this thing. By the way, don't put it in the dishwasher. That's what I did. It kind of discolored. It comes, it's nice shiny silver. But anyway, this is a great tool. Awesome. They make them for professional kitchens, actually. Now, I was so tired of my other scrapers. He keep talking about this, but they kept breaking and wearing out. I finally got this bad boy. It's really nice. All this stuff is fairly inexpensive, not really cheap. Another thing, these cut-proof gloves, or cut-resistant gloves, I should say. Man, I love these things. The cut-resistant, I usually wear them underneath some those Mylar gloves, or your, what do you call them, your rubber gloves, you know what I'm talking about, disposables. And they also work double as insulation when you're grabbing hot food. Those also came off Amazon. I'll put a link. Another thing, what the heck, that won't have the Southern Coastal Cooking stickers on there, but they call this the Cold Keeper. It's a koozie, with a Yeti style, I guess, can koozie for a 16-ounce pop. If it's still available, I'll put a link, but this is just something cool. You definitely need a good instant read thermometer, and this is the best there is. It's the Thermapen MK4. Yeah, it's a little pricey. I think they're about 80 bucks, but it's definitely worth it. It's a gift of a lifetime. They're instant reading. That means like in 3 seconds or something like that. This thing is great. It's backlit. You can flip it around. Your number reading will flip out. This is worth the money. This is your dad will love this. Okay, so this is the MK4 by Thermapen. I'll put a link to it. down there. Another Thermaworks product. This is the Thermaworks Signal. This is a Wi-Fi grill thermometer, and this way he can go to the store, run to work or whatever, and have an app where he can read the temperature from his phone. This is an awesome thermometer. It's got 4 different probe ports on it. Okay, I love that. If you don't want to go so expensive, you want something in the sub $100 range, still really good ink bird. If you won't have Wi-Fi, but it's got Bluetooth, these things are bulletproof. I use these a lot too. Okay, so I'll put a link to something like that. I said most of the stuff you get at Amazon. It's a little more expensive here, but this is the FlameBoss, your air controller for your Kamado or your pit. You saw me use it on my Lone Star grill. This thing is really cool. Any dude would love to have this. Dad would love to Wi-Fi temp control. It uses Wi-Fi. You can control it from his phone, set the pit temp, and this handles the aeration in the pit. Keep it burning like you want. All right. Well, let's see what else I got on the table. Oh yeah, for you Yoder fans out there who have the YS grills, you know I love this grease catcher. Okay. Looks KZL Fabrications. I'll put a link to this thing. This is awesome. Put it on the front, it gives you that nice stainless steel look on the front, keeps your paint, protects that. Really good. But anyway, those are some gift ideas that I wanted to throw out there here kind of last minute for the Father's Day. Y'all take it for what it's worth. I appreciate it. Remember, everything links in the description box down below. And please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all, and I hope everybody has a happy Father's Day this weekend.